In this instructional video, I will show you how to make a Cat5e network cable. First, you will need your Cat5e network bulk cable, cutters, pliers, and a crimping tool, cable tester, and Cat5e cable connectors. Start off by cutting the jacket off of the wire. Once you have cut off the jacket, you have to separate the individual wires by color codes. Orange goes on the right hand side, blue and green in the middle, and brown on the left hand side. Now, when you have the wire straightened up, you have to cut off additional excess. Cut off about an inch so you can put them into the connector. Once cut off, take your connector and slide it on top of the wires. Once you have put on the connector, make sure the individual wires have slided all the way to the end of the connector. After that, double check and make sure your color codes are the way they're supposed to be. The best way to do that is turn the connector upside down and check the color codes. Starts with brown, after brown, a brown with a white stripe, after that green, blue stripe, blue, green stripe, orange, and orange stripe. Once you're done with that, take your crimping tool and crimp the connector onto the wire. Now, when you have both of the ends done, both of the ends are done exactly the same way. The color codes have to be same on both ends. Now, you have to make sure the cable is working properly. Insert the connectors into the tester and turn on the tester. Each one of the lights on the tester should go off at least once with green color. Now you know how to make a Cat5e network cable. For any additional information, you can visit us at cablesforthesure blog.com. Thanks for watching.